Good morning everyone, my name is Himani and I am going to give you some basic information about IIT, which is Indian Institutes of Technology. IITs are central government owned public institutions. They are also owned by the Ministry of Education. They were established in 1956 by the then President Jawaharlal Nehru, and it has an annual budget of 8,195 crores. There are total 23 IITs in India. According to the NIRF rankings, the top 3 IITs are IIT Madras, IIT Delhi and IIT Bombay. That is the picture of IIT Roorkee. Some basic questions that people have about IIT are: what is IIT? It is an institution which is globally recognized for being the best institution of engineering education and research. The next question is: why are IIT students so successful? IIT graduates are highly confident in their abilities, and just the name IIT gives them a lot of confidence or an advantage. Just the name IIT, and they have more employment securities than other institutions. This gives IIT graduates the freedom to choose from different jobs, or they can take risks enter in a business or start their own business. Why is IIT better than other colleges? Most IITs have a student faculty ratio of 3.5:1 and 1.4:1 for its master's programs. This means that students receive more attention from the faculty and teachers, and they get more time to shine. The advantages of IIT are: they have better job opportunities. As I said before, since the name gives them a lot of advantage. They can build strong connections when they are in university from friends or colleagues, which can be really advantageous in the future. They have less study load, so they can engage in more extracurricular activities, and they can work on their own projects. They receive more respect in society. Now, if I go and say that I have a degree from an IIT or institute, that basically means that they immediately respect me because I'm intelligent and smart. They have good infrastructure and facilities that the student require for the development. Some disadvantages are: according to the students of IIT, the food that is provided in the canteens is not to their liking. Another is that the fees is very expensive, which is 2.5 lakhs approximately per year compared to other colleges. Many people claim that IIT encourages brain drain, which is still a controversy. Although most of the IIT students who went to study abroad in the 90s came back with the motive of giving back to the country. Some fun facts about the IIT are: IIT Kanpur is believed to have its own airstrip for its aeronautical engineering students. IIT Kharagpur has a house named Bomb House located in the campus, which was used to store bombs by the Britishers during the World War. IIT Roorkee is said to have the highest internet speed in India, which is almost 6 times more than the average speed of internet in India. Thank you.